Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about object conversion, part of programming in C++ course. In C++, object conversion refers to the process of converting an object of one class type to another class type. There are two main ways to perform object conversion in C++. Implicit conversion. An implicit conversion is a conversion that takes place automatically, without the need for an explicit typecast. This type of conversion is often performed by the compiler when an object of one class type is used in a context that requires an object of another type. For example, in this example, the dog class has an operator int conversion that returns the age member of the dog object. When you assign a dog object to an int variable, the implicit conversion takes place and the operator int function is called to convert the dog object to an int. Explicit conversion. An explicit conversion is a conversion that requires an explicit typecast. An explicit conversion is performed using dynamic underscore cast, reinterpret underscore cast, or static underscore cast keywords. For example, in this example, the dog class is a subclass of animal class. When you cast a dog object to an animal reference using the static underscore cast keyword, an explicit conversion takes place. The static underscore cast keyword performs a type-safe conversion, and the conversion will only succeed if the dog object is actually an animal or a subclass of animal. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.